Thinking of buying a new car in 2025? Be careful. Some cars may look shiny and exciting, but they'll drain your wallet and cause endless headaches. Today, we reveal 15 cars you should avoid at all costs. 1. Nissan Rogue, or UG. At first glance, the Nissan Rogue seems like a practical SUV with a modern design, spacious cabin, and family-friendly features. But the problems start under the hood. Its 3-cylinder turbo engine with variable compression sounded innovative, yet turned into a disaster, bearing failures, knocking noises, and sudden breakdowns, even on highways. To make matters worse, it's paired with a Jatco CVT, known for overheating, slipping, and total failure. Since these transmissions can't be rebuilt, replacements cost nearly as much as the car. Simply put, buying a Rogue is like throwing money away. 2. Infiniti QX50. The Infiniti QX50 may look like a luxury SUV with its stylish design and upscale interior, but underneath, it's basically a Nissan Rogue in disguise. It carries the same problematic variable compression turbo engine, which often struggles with power loss, clumsy acceleration, and frequent reliability issues. To make matters worse, it's paired with Nissan's infamous Jatco CVT, known for overheating, slipping, and costly failures. Buyers assume the higher price tag guarantees a better car, but in reality, the QX50 just delivers the same headaches, only wrapped in leather seats and a luxury badge. 3. Ford Bronco Sport. Ford brought back the Bronco name with huge excitement, but the smaller Bronco Sport has been a letdown. Its 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine hides serious problems, with the most dangerous being cracked fuel injectors that can cause engine fires. Yes, you heard that right. This SUV could literally put your safety at risk. On top of that, owners have reported overheating, turbocharger failures, and even crankshaft issues. A vehicle meant to be adventurous and dependable should never feel like a gamble every time you turn the key, which is why if you're looking for a safe family SUV, the Bronco Sport is one you'll want to skip. 4. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid might look like the ultimate family vehicle with its sleek design, hybrid efficiency, and spacious interior, but beneath the surface hides a dangerous problem. This minivan has been linked to serious fire risks, with multiple reports of battery systems igniting, even while parked. Beyond that, owners have complained about sudden shutdowns, constant electrical issues, and frustrating reliability problems that even mechanics struggle to solve. A family vehicle should provide peace of mind, not fear. If safety matters most, you're far better off choosing a minivan from Honda or Toyota instead. 5. Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe may look like the perfect mix of rugged adventure and fuel efficiency, but reality is far less exciting. Owners report major problems, including battery failures, sudden engine shutdowns, and weak performance in cold weather. Picture yourself driving through snow only to have the hybrid system quit on you. That's not adventure. That's a nightmare. What's supposed to be a reliable plug-in hybrid SUV ends up being a constant source of frustration, making the 4xe one of the riskiest vehicles to own in 2025. 6. Jeep Wrangler 4xe. The Jeep Wrangler 4xe was marketed as the ultimate blend of off-road strength and eco-friendly innovation. But the reality is far from dependable. Owners have reported frustrating issues like faulty batteries, unexpected engine shutoffs, and serious reliability concerns that undermine its adventurous image. Things only get worse in cold weather, where the hybrid system falters instead of performing as promised. For a vehicle designed to tackle mountains, deserts, and tough terrain, the Wrangler 4xe ends up feeling less like a rugged warrior and more like a ticking time bomb. 7. Chevrolet Silverado. The Chevrolet Silverado, once celebrated as a true symbol of American toughness, has lost much of its legendary reliability in recent years. The introduction of active fuel management, AFM, and newer 10-speed transmissions has turned what was once a dependable workhorse into a major headache for many owners. The AFM system, designed to improve fuel efficiency by deactivating cylinders, often backfires when engine lifters collapse, leading to catastrophic engine damage. On top of that, the 10-speed transmission brings its own problems with rough shifting and sudden breakdowns. Instead of lasting for decades like its predecessors, today's Silverado often struggles to cross 100,000 miles without needing costly, serious repairs. 8. GMC Sierra. The GMC Sierra, despite its premium image and stylish design, suffers from the exact same flaws as the Silverado, since it's essentially just a rebadged version. While the truck might impress with its luxury interior, polished looks, and upscale touches, those features quickly lose their charm when the mechanical problems begin. The active fuel management (AFM) system still brings the same risk of lifter collapse, which can completely ruin the engine, and the 10-speed transmission remains prone to rough shifts and sudden failures. In the end, that leather-trimmed cabin won't feel very luxurious when paired with repair bills that could drain your wallet. 9. Range Rover. The Range Rover has long been considered the ultimate dream SUV, blending luxury, power, and prestige in one package. However, the reality for many owners is far less glamorous. Behind the elegant design and refined interior lies a reputation for being one of the most unreliable luxury vehicles on the market. Engine failures are alarmingly common. The air suspension is notoriously fragile, and the endless stream of electronic glitches can make ownership a constant headache. For those without deep pockets or extreme patience, the Range Rover often turns from a symbol of success into a financial and emotional burden, leaving many drivers frustrated and regretting their purchase. 10. Jaguar F-Pace. Jaguar's stylish F-Pace SUV may look luxurious and modern, but it hides a long list of problems beneath the surface. Owners often complain about engine troubles, transmission faults, and unpredictable electrical glitches that can appear without warning. While it certainly turns heads when parked in the driveway, the excitement quickly fades once the repair bills start piling up, draining your wallet and patience. Over time, many buyers realize that the F-Pace's beauty is only skin deep, making it one of those vehicles that shines in advertisements but disappoints in real ownership. 11. Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos was designed to be a budget-friendly entry point into the VW family, offering modern styling and affordable pricing. However, many owners have faced serious reliability concerns, from fuel system leaks to sudden engine failures and problematic DSG transmission issues. The Taos often leaves drivers frustrated rather than satisfied. What was supposed to be an accessible and dependable SUV has instead become known for costly repairs and unpredictable performance. For those looking for a small SUV that truly delivers on reliability and long-term value, alternatives like the Toyota RAV4 or Honda CR-V stand out as far better choices. 12. Hyundai and Kia 2.0-liter engines. Hyundai and Kia models fitted with the 2.0-liter engines have built a notorious reputation for major reliability issues. These engines are known for excessive oil consumption. Many drivers still face ongoing risks and costly repairs. Owning one of these vehicles can feel less like driving a trusted car and more like playing a dangerous game of mechanical Russian roulette, where reliability is never guaranteed and peace of mind is hard to find. 13. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer may appear to be the ideal family SUV, offering space, comfort, and a modern look, but under the hood, it tells a very different story. The 6-speed automatic transmission is notorious for slipping, jerking, and failing far earlier than expected, causing constant frustration for owners. These issues turn what should be a reliable and safe family vehicle into a source of stress, frequent repairs, and driving uncertainty. 14. Mini Cooper S. The Mini Cooper S may charm you with its cute looks and sporty appeal, but under the hood, it's far from perfect. Owners frequently face cooling system failures, excessive turbo oil consumption, and a stiff suspension that wears out components faster than expected. These problems make maintenance a constant headache, with repairs often coming at a high cost. What was meant to be a fun, spirited driving experience turns into an ongoing struggle with reliability issues. Owning a Mini Cooper S can quickly become an expensive challenge rather than the enjoyable ride it promises. 15. Fiat 500L. Finally, there's the Fiat 500L, a car that looks charming but hides serious problems. It struggles with weak transmissions, poor build quality, and constant electrical issues. Even simple features like the air conditioning fail prematurely. Mechanics often joke that owning a 500-liter means having a permanent reservation at the repair shop.